Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds j and sh. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the j sound in the word jack, jack, jack. Now the sh sound in the word shack, shack, shack. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Jack is in the shack. Jack is in the shack. Jack is in the shack. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!